Welcome, in front of me is a Hammer Iron 3 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And this process will also remove a screen lock if you don't know the pattern to it. So I'll lock the device and proceed from here as though I don't know my own. And number one, you want to hold power key and select power off. Now once the device shuts off, which will be indicated by the vibration, you want to hold the power key and volume up. So hold both of those keys and when you see the boot mode right here, you want to let go, and using volume up only, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then confirm it with volume down. And then you should be in the recovery mode. So in this mode we can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key and select yes. Again, confirm it with power key. Process will begin. You can see the dialog at the bottom, and the last thing you should see at the bottom is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. There we go. As you can see, reboot system now is selected by default, and all you need to do now is press power key once more, and the process will continue in the background. So it will take a little bit longer for the device to boot back up, but once it has finished the process, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.